Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to make this beautiful abstract painting with alcohol inks and a little bit of gold leaf and some glitter, and we are also adding some doodles like you see on the painting. So let's go step by step on how to make this painting. So first of all, I'm using photo paper of about 9 inches by 12 inches, and I got this from stationery store. You could also make this painting in UPO paper, which is a little expensive. I thought I could try with this photo paper. So for this we need alcohol, isopropyl alcohol 91%, and the colors we are using are indigo, teal and brass. These are the alcohol inks that I got. So let's make a painting with these three colors, and I will show you some techniques on how to blow this painting. And I poured the isopropyl alcohol into this tiny container with a nozzle. So let's begin by pouring this isopropyl alcohol onto the paper. Just randomly pour some alcohol over the paper. It depends on what kind of design you want. So after pouring the alcohol, I added some drops of teal first, and then adding more alcohol. And I forgot to mention that you need to make this painting on the not the glossy side, but on the other side of photo paper. Initially I thought I was supposed to make in glossy side, but I learned from the groups that it's on the other side I have to make the painting. That's where the paint flows. So the alcohol and the paint is mixing, and we use a hair dryer in a cool setting and in a low speed, and kind of blow the paint in a direction that you like. It depends on what kind of design you are making. For this type of design, I'm blowing like this from towards the center. First I blow from the center towards the edges, then I do the reverse. And slowly, as you can see, the paint is blending. Make sure to use the cool settings. See, it's beautiful already. The color blending of a teal and purple, which is a good combination. And adding more alcohol. Whenever I add isopropyl alcohol, I just wait for a few minutes to blend it. So the alcohol and the color will be blended, and then you start blowing in whatever direction you want. So the same process I'm repeating. If you want to get soft edges, you make sure that you blow towards the center of the paper. That's when you get the soft edges like marble. And you can also see tiny lines that are appearing towards the center. That's really cool. Looks like almost like a marble. See, when you wait for a few minutes, it creates a line automatically. And I'm keeping the hair dryer not too close to the paper, but at a slight distance. Wherever you want the lines to form, add alcohol there. This photo paper is really nice to experiment with alcohol inks because the Yupo paper is little too pricey. So again following the same process, first blowing from the center, then blow towards the center. That's how you get the soft marble like finish. If you enjoy my tutorial, please feel free to subscribe to my channel because I post videos almost every single day, and I would appreciate if you could please share it with your friends also who might be interested to learn some painting. So here I am adding a couple of more drops of teal and indigo and letting it dry for some time until it absorbs. Then this time I'm using a mini blower that I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's a very tiny blower that I purchased, and it blows very gently, so we can control the flow very easily. Compared to hair dryer, this has very low force, so it's very easy to work with. But make sure when you use this, blow it from a distance because sometimes the heat in the equipment might cause fire, so it's risky, and so it's better to keep a blow from a distance. So now I am adding some brass metallic color and then following the same process again, adding alcohol and then blowing it. Now let's add some gold leaf. I used clear glue and applied it in some areas, and then I'll paste the glitter and the glue, glitter and the gold leaf on top of the glue. So I'm applying with a brush. And after you apply the glue, you stick on the gold leaf and glitter onto the thing and let it dry, and then brush off the excess gold leaf and glitter. Now once we are done with the gold leaf and glitter, let's add some doodle. I'm using a Micron fine tip pen, Micron 005 or something. You can use any fine tip black pen that you have and just make random doodles like this. It's up to your imagination. You can put any designs that you like. So I'll let you watch this video, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and thank you again for watching.